Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam. Good
Waalaikumsalam
evening.
warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, Miss.
Okay, good evening. So, welcome back to All-in-One program Zoom meeting by English Lab Indonesia. And for today, we are in reading session. Okay, jadi teman-teman selamat datang kembali di All-in-One program Zoom meeting dari English Lab Indonesia. Dan malam ini kita ada di sesi reading atau sesi membaca. How are you guys? Is
Fine,
everything
Miss.
good?
I'm very good, Miss.
Excited.
Good, Miss.
Good.
Good. How's the weather at your place? Is it rain?
Yes,
Yes, rain, Miss.
Raining? Okay, it is
Fun.
raining.
Long day
Yeah.
today.
Okay. Okay, so you come back to this session with me, Miss Umi. And for this week, our topic is about environment. Jadi teman-teman kembali di sesi ini bersama dengan saya lagi, yaitu dengan Miss Umi. Dan untuk pekan ini, untuk minggu ini, tema kita atau topik kita adalah mengenai environment. Do you know what is environment?
Lingkungan.
Environment, lingkungan.
Lingkungan. Okay, yes, it's nice. Okay. So before we start this reading session, I would like to inform you guys that through this Zoom meeting, we will update 3 skills. They are reading, listening, and also speaking. And then for the schedule, we meet on Monday for reading, and then on Wednesday for listening, and the last is on Friday for speaking session. Okay, and then the Zoom meeting will be start at 7:30, then will be finished at 8:30 Jakarta time. So don't miss our schedule. Dan teman-teman, sebelum kita mulai untuk sesi readingnya, saya ingin infokan ke teman-teman bahwa kita akan upgrade 3 skill kebahasa Inggrisan, yaitu reading, membaca, listening, mendengarkan, dan speaking, berbicara. Untuk jadwalnya kita ketemu di hari Senin untuk reading, hari Rabu untuk listening, dan terakhir hari Jumat untuk speaking. Zoom meetingnya dimulai di jam 7.30 dan akan berakhir di jam 8.30 waktu Jakarta atau waktu Indonesia bagian Barat. Okay, so don't miss our schedule. Jangan sampai ketinggalan dengan jadwal kita. Okay, dan teman-teman, as you know that this Zoom meeting is an additional feature for you, so it can be depends on you if you want to join in this Zoom meeting or if you still want to focus on the material on Google Classroom. Okay, if you have any question about the Zoom meeting, you can ask me. And then if you have a general question or maybe about the material, you can ask to our admin consultation based on their schedule. And sorry. Jadi teman-teman, seperti yang teman-teman ketahui bahwa Zoom meeting ini merupakan fitur tambahan untuk kalian yang bergabung di All-in-One program dari English Lab Indonesia. Jadi bisa tergantung dari teman-teman kalau misalnya mau join di Zoom meeting ini atau masih mau fokus terlebih dahulu di Google Classroom. Kalau teman-teman ada pertanyaan yang general atau mungkin seputar materi di Google Classroom, boleh ditanyakan ke admin konsultasi kami sesuai dengan jadwalnya. Tapi kalau teman-teman ada pertanyaan seputar Zoom meeting, boleh ditanyakan ke saya. And maybe you ask how if you cannot join in the Zoom meeting, it's okay because you can still learn from the recording that I will share to your group after the class end. Dan mungkin teman-teman di sini bertanya-tanya, kalau misalnya nggak bisa ikut di Zoom meetingnya gimana, Miss? Atau mungkin sedang berhalangan hadir, ya, masih ada kerjaan dan sebagainya. Jadi nggak apa-apa, teman-teman masih tetap bisa belajar dari rekaman yang nanti akan saya bagikan ke grup kalian setelah sesinya berakhir. Oke, dan teman-teman juga akan punya waktu akses selama 3 bulan ke Zoom meeting ini, jadi silahkan gabung kapanpun teman-teman mau. Oke. And then before we start, let me remind you again about our class rule first. So we have 2 rules in this Zoom meeting. The first one is I hope you guys can use your own real name as the display name. So it will make us easier to know each other and it will make me easy to call you. And then for the second rule is I hope you guys can keep mute your microphone if there's nothing you want to say in this Zoom meeting. But if you want to say something in this Zoom meeting or if you want to ask something, you can raise your hand first, okay? Raise your hand using the raise hand feature in this Zoom meeting and then I will let you unmute your microphone. Dan teman-teman, sebelum kita mulai, saya ingin ingatin lagi ke teman-teman mengenai aturan kelas kita. Jadi kita ada 2 untuk aturan kelasnya. Yang pertama, saya harap teman-teman bisa gunakan nama asli sebagai nama tampilan di Zoom meeting ini. Ya, jadi jangan pakai nama perangkat, nama instansi, ya. Boleh diganti terlebih dahulu. Jadi nanti akan memudahkan kita untuk tahu satu sama lain dan memudahkan saya juga untuk manggil teman-teman. Mungkin namanya ada yang masih angka, ada yang masih nama perangkat ya, boleh diganti terlebih dahulu. Mungkin kalau ada yang bingung gimana Miss gantinya? Teman-teman bisa pergi ke bagian peserta atau partisipan, kemudian nama kalian ada di paling atas. Di situ, di sebelah kanan nama kalian ada titik 3. Di titik 3 itu boleh diklik, terus pilih yang rename atau ubah nama. Oke, kemudian teman-teman bisa ganti sesuai dengan nama teman-teman. Kemudian untuk aturan yang kedua, saya harap teman-teman bisa tetap bisukan mikrofonnya jika tidak ada yang ingin disampaikan di Zoom meeting ini. Oke? Tapi kalau teman-teman ada yang mau ditanyakan atau disampaikan di Zoom meeting ini, boleh angkat tangan terlebih dahulu menggunakan fitur angkat tangan yang ada di Zoom meeting ini. Setelah itu saya akan izinkan untuk tidak bisukan. Oke, jadi itu aja yang aturan kita di Zoom meeting ini. Apakah teman-teman ada pertanyaan? Tidak ada? Oke, jika tidak ada, mari kita lanjut ke slide selanjutnya. Okay, so this is for what we're gonna do in this reading session. We have 2 main activity and 1 additional activity. So the first activity will be vocabulary bank. I will provide you with a list of vocabularies that relate to our today's topic. And for each vocabulary, I will read 2 until 3 times if needed with the meaning. Okay, and then after that, we will move to reading comprehension. In this activity, I will provide you with a reading passage that we will read together, and you guys can also participate in this reading activity. Okay, and then after that, we will face some quiz or question to measure our comprehension about the reading passage that we have read together. Okay, saya clear dulu. And then the last, for the additional activity, it is unfamiliar words. So if we still have enough time, we can list the word that's still unfamiliar that we found on the reading passage or maybe on the question. Oke, jadi apa yang akan kita lakukan di sesi reading hari ini? Jadi kita ada 2 aktivitas utama dan 1 aktivitas tambahan ya. Yang pertama yaitu vocabulary bank atau bank kosakata. Di sini saya akan menyediakan sebuah list kosakata yang berkaitan dengan topik kita hari ini. Untuk setiap vocabulary-nya atau kosakatanya saya akan bacakan 2-3 kali pengulangan bersama dengan artinya. Kemudian setelah itu kita akan pindah ke aktivitas selanjutnya yaitu reading comprehension. Jadi di sini saya akan menyediakan sebuah bacaan yang akan kita baca sama-sama dan teman-teman bisa berpartisipasi ya dalam kegiatan membacanya dengan mengangkat tangan nanti. Kemudian setelah itu kita akan menghadapi beberapa pertanyaan atau kuis untuk mengukur seberapa pemahaman kita terhadap bacaan yang sudah kita baca sebelumnya. Dan yang terakhir adalah additional activity yaitu unfamiliar words atau kata tidak familiar. Di sana nanti kita bisa listkan kata-kata yang masih tidak familiar yang kita temukan di bacaan atau di pertanyaan. Oke, jadi itu aja apa yang akan kita lakukan di sesi reading hari ini. Mungkin teman-teman ada pertanyaan? Boleh ditanyakan di meeting chat atau mungkin boleh angkat tangan. Oke. Tidak ada? Nothing. Okay, so now let's move to the next slide. It is vocabulary bank. Let me see. So this is our vocabulary bank about environment. I will read each word with the meaning, and at the in the last, if you need more repetition, you can ask me on meeting chat which word that you want me to repeat. Okay, so please listen carefully. I will start. Environment. Environment artinya lingkungan. Environmental. Environmental. Environmental artinya berhubungan dengan lingkungan. Environmentalist. Environmentalist. Environmentalist artinya pecinta lingkungan. Surroundings. Surroundings artinya lingkungan sekitar. Conservation. Conservation artinya konservasi atau perlindungan alam. Nature. Nature. Nature artinya alam. Ecosystem. Ecosystem artinya ekosistem. Habitat. Habitat. Habitat artinya habitat. Ya, jadi penulisannya sama antara bahasa Inggris dan Indonesianya, cuma pembacaannya yang beda ya. Pronunciation-nya beda. Sustainable. Sustainable. Sustainable artinya berkelanjutan. Climate. Climate. Climate artinya iklim. Resources. Resources. Resources artinya sumber daya. Oke, finish. Sudah selesai? Apakah teman-teman ada kata yang mau untuk diulangi? Boleh disebutkan ya di meeting chat. Oke. Oke, environmental. Environmental. Environmental artinya yang berhubungan dengan lingkungan. Environmentalist. Environmentalist artinya pecinta lingkungan. Jadi orangnya adalah environmentalist.
Nature. ecosystem, habitat.
Okay. And then nature. Nature artinya alam. Surroundings. Surroundings. Surroundings artinya lingkungan sekitar. Okay, enough? Okay, apakah sudah cukup? Is it enough? We still have another page for vocabulary bank.
Yes, enough.
Okay, last. Resources. Resources. Resources artinya sumber daya. Conservation. Conservation artinya konservasi. Ekosistem sama ya dia bacaannya, tapi penulisannya berbeda. Ekosistem. Ekosistem. Ekosistem artinya ekosistem. Kalau ini tadi tulisannya sama, tapi bacanya beda. Habitat dengan habitat. Ekosistem dengan ekosistem. Okay, finish. You can try by yourself, but please keep mute. Kalian boleh coba ucapkan sendiri, tapi tolong di mute. Okay? Finish. Maybe some of you want to take a note. Mungkin beberapa dari kalian ingin mencatat atau screenshot. Okay, then let's move to the next slide. Next slide.
This
Okay.
was
Okay, so I will start. Pollution. Pollution. Pollution artinya polusi. Deforestation. Deforestation. Deforestation artinya penggundulan hutan. Emission. Emission. Emission artinya emisi. Global warming. Global warming. Global warming artinya pemanasan global. Disposable. Disposable artinya sekali pakai. Contamination. Contamination. Contamination artinya kontaminasi. Toxic. Toxic. Toxic artinya beracun. Drought. Drought. Drought artinya kekeringan. Flood. Flood. Flood artinya banjir. Threat. Threat. Threat artinya ancaman. Extinct. Extinct. Extinct artinya punah. Okay, finish. Do you guys need more repetition? Deluge juga artinya banjir ya. Oke, extinct. Extinct. Extinct artinya punah. Contamination. Contamination artinya kontaminasi. Drought. Drought artinya kekeringan. Ya, finish. Finish. Deluge itu artinya juga sama-sama air bah ya. Oke. Tahu artinya banjir, tapi yang lebih umum digunakan flood. Okay, and then next we have reading comprehension. Okay, if you want to participate in this reading comprehension, reading passage, you can raise your hand and then I will pick up random. Okay, the first will be Miss Vivi. Hello, Miss Vivi.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Vivi. Okay, Miss Vivi, now you can start with the first sentence.
Okay. Years ago, there wasn't a problem with rubies because things like plastic and disposable nappies hadn't been invited.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss
Thank
Vivi.
you.
Years ago, there wasn't a problem with rabies because things like plastic and disposable nappies hadn't been invented. Bertahun-tahun yang lalu, tidak ditemukan masalah dengan sampah karena hal seperti plastik dan nepis popok ya. Nepis popok sekali pakai, disposable sekali pakai, belum ditemukan, invented ditemukan. Okay, and then next, Miss or Mr. Gabriel. Hello,
Hello, Miss.
Miss Gabriel. Okay, Miss Gabriel, now you can continue.
There wasn't so much packaging on items you bought either.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Gabriel. There wasn't so much packaging on items you bought either. Tidak banyak kemasan pada barang yang kamu beli juga. And then next, Miss Tari. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, Miss Tari, now you can continue.
But now with everything so over packaging, carpet, and disposable, we are suffering the consequence of far too much waste.
Too much waste. Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Tari.
You're welcome, Miss.
But now, with everything so over packaged, wrapped, and disposable, we are suffering the consequences of far too much waste. Tapi sekarang dengan segalanya terlalu dikemas dan sekali pakai, kita menderita akibat dari banyaknya sampah ya atau banyaknya limbah, waste. And then next, Miss Ines. Hello, Miss Ines.
Hello, Miss.
Hello, good evening. Okay, now you can continue.
Okay. The trouble is not everything can be recycled or will rot away.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Ines.
You're welcome.
Okay. The trouble is not everything can be recycled or will rot away. Masalahnya, gak semuanya atau tidak semuanya bisa didaur ulang atau akan membusuk. Ya, rot away, membusuk. And then next, Miss or Mr. Nirsap. Hello,
Halo, Miss.
Miss Nirsap. Okay, hello.
Yeah,
Good
hello,
evening.
good
Now you
evening.
can. Okay, now you
Okay,
can continue.
okay. You used to be able to get a refund on glass bottles when you took them back to the shop.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss
Thank
Nirsap.
you.
You used to be able to get a refund on glass bottles when you took them back to the shop. Kamu biasanya bisa mendapatkan pengembalian uang untuk botol kaca ketika kamu membawanya kembali ke toko. Jadi ini dulu ya, you used to be. Biasanya kita bisa dapat uang kembali ketika mengembalikan gelas botol ke toko. And then next, Miss Rizky Khoirunisa.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, now you can continue.
Now they are either collected from your house by the council or you can take them to a bottle bank.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Rizky. Oke, yang lain boleh di-mute ya. Now they are either collected from your house by the council or you can take them to a bottle bank. Sekarang mereka ya, maksudnya si botol-botol ini dikumpulkan dari rumah kamu oleh dewan atau kamu dapat membawanya ke bank botol. And then next, Mr. Mino. Hello, good evening.
Evening, Miss.
Okay, Mr. Mino, you can continue.
Okay, Miss. The fact that paper can be recycled and is easy to dispose is great. But remember, paper is made from trees, which are important to the environment.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Mino. The fact that paper can be recycled and is easy to dispose is great. But remember, paper is made from trees, which are important to the environment. Okay. Fakta bahwa kertas dapat didaur ulang dan mudah dibuang adalah hal yang bagus. Tapi ingat, kertas dibuat dari pohon yang mana penting untuk lingkungan. And then next. Sorry, Miss Arum. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, Miss Arum, now you can continue.
The rainforests have been slowly made from have
Slowly.
been slowly disappearing for a while now.
Okay, it's good. Thank you.
Yeah.
The rainforests have been slowly disappearing for a while now. Hutan hujan perlahan-lahan menghilang untuk beberapa waktu sekarang. And then next, Mr. Faisal. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Okay, now you can continue.
We need them not just because it helps with the climate.
Okay, it's good. Thank you.
You're
We need
welcome.
them. We need them not just because it helps with the climate. Kita membutuhkannya bukan hanya karena membantu iklim. Okay. And then next ya, climate iklim ya, teman-teman. Miss Shiva, hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay,
They
Miss
are
Shiva.
important as they are important as like all plants. They give us oxygen.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Shiva. They are important as like all plants, they give us oxygen. Mereka juga mereka penting seperti semua tanaman yang memberi kita oksigen. And then next, Miss May. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, Miss May, now you can continue.
They are also a home to many animals who rely on them or their survival.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss May. They are also a home to many animals who rely on them for their survival. Mereka juga rumah untuk banyak hewan yang bergantung pada mereka untuk bertahan hidup ya, atau untuk kelangsungan hidup mereka. And then next, Miss Noni. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, now you can continue.
Okay. The best was is organic. That leaves, carrot tops, onion skins, and so on all root down and make fertile soil.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Noni.
Thank you, Miss.
The best waste is organic. Dead leaves, carrot tops, onion skins, and so on. All root down and make fertile soil. Sampah terbaik adalah daun-daun organik yang mati, pucuk wortel, kulit bawang, dan sebagainya. Semua membusuk dan menjadikan tanah subur. And then next, Miss Rekadin Latifa. Hello, good evening. Okay, Miss Rekadin, now you can continue.
This in turn will help the plants and vegetables, giving them much needed food.
Okay, it's good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This in turn will help the plants and vegetables, giving them much needed food. Hal ini pada gilirannya akan membantu tanaman dan sayuran, memberi mereka makanan yang sangat dibutuhkan. Ya, makanan yang sangat dibutuhkan. And then next, Miss Alice. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Okay, now you can continue.
Okay, so if you are able to have a compost heap in your garden, you will be helping the environment and your garden will love you for it.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Alice.
Thank you, Miss.
So, if you are able to have a compost heap in your garden, you'll be helping the environment and your garden will love you for it. Jadi, jika kamu bisa memiliki tumpukan kompos heap di taman kamu, kamu akan membantu lingkungan dan taman Anda akan menyukai Anda karena itu atau karenanya. Okay, we still have another page. I will call Miss Ovi. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, hello. Now you can continue with the first sentence.
Yes, I can. Acid rain is another serious problem. It is damaging to plants and is caused by pollution such as sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxide.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Ovi. Acid rain is another serious problem. It is damaging to plants and is caused by pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. Hujan asap, hujan asap adalah masalah serius lainnya yang merusak tanaman dan disebabkan oleh polutan seperti sulfur dioksida dan nitrogen oksida. And then next, Miss Nike. Hello. Okay, you can continue now.
Okay, Miss.
Okay.
This come from the burning of coal, oil, and gas.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Nika.
Okay, Miss.
This come from the burning of coal, oil, and gas. Sumber energi ini berasal dari batu bara, pembakaran batu bara, minyak, dan gas. And then next, Miss Lydia. Hello, Miss Lydia.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, now you can continue.
Okay. Dropping litter is not just a lazy thing to do. It makes work for other people. It's bad for the environment and looks ugly. Okay.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Lydia. Dropping litter is not just a lazy thing to do. It makes work for other people. It's bad for the environment and looks ugly. Membuang sampah sembarangan bukan hanya sekedar malas-malasan atau hal yang malas untuk dilakukan, tapi juga merugikan orang lain, berdampak buruk bagi lingkungan dan terlihat jelek. And then next, Miss Fadila. Hello.
Good evening, Miss. Hello.
Good evening. Okay, now you can continue.
Yes. So think before you drop litter, either bin it or keep it and then bin.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Fadila.
You're welcome.
So think before you drop litter, either bin it or keep it and then bin it. Jadi pikirkan sebelum kamu membuang sampah. Buang atau simpan dan kemudian buang. And then next, Mr. Muhammad E.F. Hello.
Hi, Miss. Hello.
Hey, hi. Now you can continue.
Okay. When rivers and seas are polluted by us, we are not only stealing their beauty, but we're spoiling it for ourselves too.
Okay, it's good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
When rivers and seas are polluted by waste, Oke, teman-teman bacanya waste. Oke. We are not only stealing their beauty, but we're spoiling it for ourselves too. Ketika sungai dan laut tercemar oleh sampah, kita tidak hanya mencuri keindahannya, tetapi juga merusaknya untuk diri kita sendiri. And then next, Miss Reina Putri. Hello. Ada? Tidak ada ya. Okay. So I will give the change to others. Miss Endah. Hello, good evening, Miss Endah.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, so now you can continue.
Our health can also suffer.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Endah.
Okay, well,
Our health can also suffer. Kesehatan kita juga bisa terganggu. And then next, Miss Liza. Hello. Okay.
Yes. Sadly, accident do occur. Oil leaks sometimes happen and wreck the environment.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Liza. Sadly, accidents do occur. Oil slicks sometimes happen and wreck the environment. Sayangnya, kecelakaan memang terjadi. Terkadang terjadi tumpahan minyak dan merusak lingkungan. And then next, Mr. Raihan. Hello, Mr. Raihan Nasrullah. Yeah. Okay, now
Hello.
you can continue.
Animals tend to suffer the most from these incidents.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Raihan. Animals tend to suffer the most from this incident. Hewan cenderung paling menderita akibat kejadian ini. And then next, Miss Jane Jessica. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, Miss Jane, now you can continue.
We should really have in place something that will prevent so much destruction rather than just waiting for it to happen, then trying to clean up the damage.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Jane.
Thank you, Miss.
We should really have in place something that will prevent so much destruction rather than just waiting for it to happen, then trying to clean up the damage. Kita harus benar-benar menyiapkan sesuatu yang dapat mencegah begitu banyak kerusakan daripada menunggu hal tersebut terjadi, kemudian mencoba untuk membersihkan atau menangani kerusakan tersebut. And then next, Miss Sani Marcelli. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, Miss Sally, now you can continue.
Okay. Nuclear waste has been the cause of controversy over the years.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Sani.
Okay, Miss, my pleasure.
Nuclear waste has been the cause of controversy over the years. Limbah nuklir telah menjadi penyebab kontroversi selama bertahun-tahun. And then next, Muhammad Ilham. Hello, Mr. Muhammad Ilham.
Halo,
Okay, Mr. Muhammad Ilham, now you can continue.
sorry nih sampai mana tadi?
Okay, please keep attention. It is now radioactive.
Okay. Radioactive material leaking out would be very serious indeed. It can cause real harm.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Ilham. Radioactive material leaking out would be very serious indeed. It can cause real harm. Kebocoran bahan radioaktif memang dapat menyebabkan masalah yang nyata, oke, atau menyebabkan masalah yang sangat serius dan menimbulkan kerugian. And then next, Miss Aisyah. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, you can read from this one.
This is why it is the most worrying.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Aisyah. This is why it is the most worrying. Inilah mengapa hal ini adalah hal yang paling mengkhawatirkan. And then next, Mr. or Miss Saverius Reski.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity, Miss.
Okay, Mr. Saverius, now you can continue.
Although we are trying to stop the hole in the ozone layer getting any bigger, nuclear waste is still a serious problem.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Mr. Saverius. Although we are trying to stop the hole in the ozone layer getting any bigger, nuclear waste is still a serious problem. Meskipun kita berupaya untuk mencegah lubang yang semakin besar pada lapisan ozon, limbah nuklir masih merupakan masalah yang serius. And then next, Miss Safira. Hello.
Hello, Miss.
Okay, now you can continue.
Okay. The ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Safira.
Yes,
The
Miss.
ozone layer protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays. Lapisan ozon melindungi kita dari sinar ultraviolet yang berbahaya. And then next, Miss Wulan. Hello.
Hello,
Okay, Miss
Miss.
Wulan. Now you can continue.
This hole has been caused by chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, a chemical that was found in some products.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Wulan. Its hole has been caused by chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, a chemical that was found in some products. Lubang tersebut disebabkan oleh chlorofluorokarbon, sebuah bahan kimia yang ditemukan di beberapa produk. And then next, Miss Virus Nurul.
Okay,
Hello.
Miss. Hello.
Okay, now you can continue.
Yes. Refrigerators, yeah.
Refrigerators.
Refrigerators. Use the condemn them.
Okay, it's good. Thank you. Refrigerators used to contain them. Lemari es atau kulkas biasanya mengandung hal tersebut. Okay, and then next, Miss Reviana. Hello. Ada?
Halo, Miss.
Okay, now you can continue.
So, do we care enough about the earth we have inherited and our passing on to future generation? Or it is now all too late to do, or is it now all too late to do anything? Each one of us can make a difference, and each and every one of us is responsible to the environment.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. So do we care enough about the earth we have inherited and our passing on to future generations? Or is it now all too late to do anything? Each one of us can make a difference, and each and every one of us is responsible to the environment. Jadi, apakah kita cukup peduli terhadap bumi yang kita warisi dan warisan kita ke generasi mendatang, atau sekarang sudah terlambat untuk melakukan sesuatu? Masing-masing dari diri kita dapat membuat perbedaan, dan masing-masing dari diri kita bertanggung jawab terhadap lingkungan. And then the last will be Miss Winda. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, now you can continue the last sentence.
Okay. It takes care of us. We should take care of it.
Okay, it's good. Thank you, Miss Winda.
Thank you, Miss.
It take care of us. We should take care of it. Itu menjaga kita, kita harus menjaganya. Okay, so we finished for the reading passage. So it's about the environment and our contribution to things to environment. Now we will move to reading comprehension quiz. Now all of you can lower your hand. Okay, thank you. And then the first question. So it is revealing. Let's look at the bold word and let's see what do the words in bold refer to. Okay, it is them and also they. Them and they refer to A. Ribbon, B. Glass bottles, C. The council, D. Bottle bag. Which one? B, C, B, K. Yang lain jawabannya apa? B. Okay, so now let's see. Number 1, them and they refer to, yes, B, glass bottles. If we see this, we used to able to get the ribbon on glass bottle when you took them, ya, took si glass bottles ini back to the shop. Oke, jadi yang benar adalah yang B, botol kaca. And then next number 2. Them. Oke, what do the word in bold refer to? Jadi kata them di sini itu merefer atau merujuk ke subjek yang mana atau ke noun yang mana ya. A. Paper, B. Rainforest, C. Climate, D. Plains. Which one? A, B. Are you sure? B. Okay, let's see. Number 2, them refer to, yes, B, rainforest. Now let's see. The rainforests have been slowly disappearing for a while now. We need them. Oke, jadi di sini kan hutan hujan pelan-pelan mengikis atau hilang untuk sementara waktu. Kita membutuhkan mereka, yaitu merekanya si rainforest. And then next, number 3. Okay, the word them refer to, Boleh dibaca lagi dulu kalimatnya. The base waste is organic, dead leaves, carrot tops, onion skins, and so on. All root down and make fertile soil. These in turn will help the plants and vegetables by giving them much needed food. Which one? C, A, D? Banyak ya. Oke.
A.
Boleh ditulis di meeting chat aja ya. Sorry. Okay, let's see for number 3. It is D. Oke, jadi kalau teman-teman lihat di sini, this in turn will help the plants and vegetable by giving them. Them-nya di sini adalah si plant and vegetable. Jadi ini akan membantu tanaman dan sayuran dengan memberikan mereka makanan yang dibutuhkan. Okay? And then next number 4. This. Number 4, this. What do the word in bold refer to? Lihat kata this di sini dia merujuk ke subjek yang mana? A, acid rain. Okay, let's see. Acid rain is another serious problem. It is damaging to plants and is caused by pollutants such as sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. This come from the burning of coal, oil, and gas. Oke, ada yang jawab C, ada yang jawab A. Let's see. The correct answer for number 4 is C. Okay, so the pollutants. Ya, lihat dari kalimat sini. Caused by pollutant, jadi disebabkan oleh polutan seperti sulfur dioxide dan nitrogen oxide. Mereka berasal dari pembakaran batu bara, minyak, dan gas. Merekanya ini si polutan ya, atau mungkin kalau ada jawaban lain yang sulfur dioxide dan nitrogen oxide. Tapi yang paling cocok adalah si polutan. Okay, and then next number 5. It's okay. Dare. Okay, dare. So the word dare refer to A, pollution, B, waste, C, river and seas, D, coal, oil, and gas. C, D. Okay, there's still different answer. Let's see. For number 5, it is C, river and seas. Okay, so it is the most correct answer. Ketika sungai dan laut terkontaminasi oleh sampah, kita tidak hanya mencuri keindahannya, jadi keindahan si sungai dan laut, tapi kita juga merusaknya untuk diri kita sendiri. Okay, I think we still have another question, but different from true or false. So we only need to answer whether the statement is true or false. Let's start with number 1. Some products are difficult to destroy. True or false? True. False. Okay, most of you answer true. Let's see. The correct answer is true. Oke, jadi beberapa produk susah untuk dihancurkan atau dirusak. Ini adalah jawaban ada pernyataan yang benar. And then next, number 2. Mungkin teman-teman bisa tulis nomornya ya. True or false. Both animal and humans need trees to survive. True or false? Number 2. Okay. True. Okay, let's see for number 2. The correct answer is yes, it is true. Keduanya, hewan dan manusia atau kedua hewan dan manusia membutuhkan pohon untuk bertahan hidup. Jadi ini adalah pernyataan yang benar. Okay. And then next, number 3. Acid rain is caused by organic waste. True or false? False. Okay. Let's see. It is false. Jadi hujan asam disebabkan oleh limbah organik. Salah ya. Malah limbah organik ini adalah limbah yang paling baik. And then next, number 4. Nowadays, products are overpackaged. True or false? Okay, yes, it is true. False. It is true. Okay, jadi saat ini atau sekarang produk itu terlalu dikemas atau over package, over pengemasan. Ini adalah pernyataan yang benar. And then the last, some years ago diapers weren't used. Beberapa tahun yang lalu diapers atau popok belum digunakan. True or false? True. Let's see. Yes, it is true. Jadi beberapa tahun yang lalu, popok itu belum digunakan atau belum ditemukan. Tidak seperti sekarang ini ya, teman-teman. Okay, so we finish for the reading comprehension. Reading and also reading comprehension quiz. And then we still have unfamiliar words, but because we have a limited time, you can do it by yourself. You can list the word that's still unfamiliar for you, that is not list on our vocabulary bank, and then you can try to find the meaning by yourself. But if you find any difficulties, you can ask me. Jadi kita masih ada unfamiliar words ya teman-teman, tapi karena waktunya terbatas dan sekarang sudah habis, teman-teman bisa lakukan ini sendiri, jadi boleh listkan sendiri dan cari artinya dengan teman-teman sendiri. Nanti kalau misalnya ada kesulitan dalam menemukan artinya, boleh ditanyakan ke saya. Ya, dan untuk unfamiliar words-nya teman-teman boleh kata-kata yang tidak disebutkan di vocabulary bank. Okay. Okay, so we come to the end of this reading session, I would like to say thank you guys for coming to this reading session. Thank you for participating in the reading activity and also answering the reading comprehension quiz. We will meet again on Wednesday for listening session. Thank you and see you. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum
thank you,
warahmatullahi
Miss.
wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye-bye.
Miss.
Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Miss.
And have a good rest. Okay.
Waalaikumsalam.